Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum on crypto.com. It's an easy process. All you need to do is head over to the account section, which is at the bottom of the screen here. Click on these accounts, and once there, select the crypto wallet option. By selecting the crypto wallet drop down, you're met with your balances, which exist as the Chronos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrency assets you yourself might possess. So now, if you're looking to convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum, it's quite easy. Head back to the home option, click on this sell here, click on sell. Once you've selected sell, you're going to be selecting cryptocurrency assets, which is in our case the Bitcoin. So click on this Bitcoin, click on market order. Okay guys, and once you've selected the market order option, you're met with the list of cryptocurrency assets you wish to convert to. As you can see here, we have Ethereum, so simply select the Ethereum. Now, you might be wondering what the market order basically is. It's when you buy from the market instantaneously without any delays, no need to trade or look up charts. You just buy the current market price. So you buy a particular token at the current market price. So now we have Ethereum and we are looking to sell our available Bitcoin for Ethereum. So click on the BTC option, click on the max, click on sell. And once you've selected the sell option, you're met with the sell screen where you click on confirm, enter your passcode, and once it's done, sell completed, tap anywhere to continue, simply reload. It might take some time for the token to be deposited. Head over to your wallet, reload, and boom, Ethereum. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.